Hi guys, my name is Josh. I'm from Zimbabwe. And firstly, I'd like to thank Mr. Sadali for Forex for Beginners Academy. And let me tell you my journey before I joined the group. I joined the family. I was interested in trading, and I didn't have any knowledge about trading. So I came across this group on Facebook, and I started scrolling down and down on this group, and I found people commenting, give their experience, and I decided to join the family. After after the seventh lesson, I was added in the private student group, where I was able to post my charts and get feedback. Yeah, and so I've learned a lot from this course. It's the 30-day course. I've learned a lot, like Fibonacci retracement, support and resistance, channels, candlestick analysis, and a lot EMAs, exponential moving averages. And now I can able to analyze price charts on TradingView and so on. So I'd like to thank Mr. Sadal again for this opportunity he gave us.